Look, I'm very excited and so looking forward to seeing you in this class. It's going to be absolutely mind-blowing. This is what we're going to be covering. I'm going to be walking you through this blueprint right here. And this is my $1 million conversion model blueprint. It took me 14 years and over $350,000 to develop this and perfect this. And what this allowed me to do is it allowed me to literally raise myself from zero. This is how I raised myself from zero to generating over $11,500 per day on average in affiliate marketing. Can you imagine $330,000, $340,000 per month consistently like clockwork simply by selling other people's products? I did not have to create it. I did not have to customer service anybody. I did not have to have a big overhead, big company. It's phenomenal. It changed my life. It changed my family's lives. It's really, really awesome. And I'm going to walk you through and actually show you how you can deploy this in your business and actually help you start and grow your own affiliate marketing business if that's what you want. So this is going to be a workshop style training, okay?